What is ecosystem? What is in the ecosystem? How important is knowing about ecosystem? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the ecosystem. So first of all, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem refers to the area or the community where living organisms, so the biotic components or factors interacting with each other, and their non-living components or the abiotic factors. Now, what are these biotic factors or the living organisms? These are the plants, the human, animals, and other microorganisms. How about the abiotic components or the non-living components? Now, these are the sunlight, the air, the temperature, the soil, and the water. So those are the abiotic factors or the non-living components of the ecosystem. So how do living organisms interact with each other? We need plants, right? And then plants also need us. Plants need other animals. So that is how we interact with each other. We need animals also because plants and animals are our sources of food. Okay? And because there are many living organisms interacting with each other in the environment, the tendency is there is a competition of food. There is a competition of the area. Yes. So how do these living organisms interact with the non-living organisms? Now example the sunlight. Sunlight is an example of abiotic components or abiotic factors. Now the sunlight is needed by the plants. Plants need sunlight in order for the plants to make food during photosynthesis because the sunlight is the source of energy of the plant for the plant to make food. So that is how important is the sunlight. And other animals and human, we need sunlight because we need vitamin D. Yes. And then next is the water. Now, water is very important, not only in the plants, but also in animals and human. So we need water. Animals also need water. So that is how the biotic and the abiotic interact with each other. We need the water as the non-living components. In the case of the plants, plants need water because water is one of the raw materials used by the plants during photosynthesis. The other raw material is the carbon dioxide. So that is how biotic and the abiotic components interact with each other. So the plants need more water. Without water, plants cannot make their own food. Without water, plant cannot make food for the human and other animals. So that is how important is the water. Next is the temperature. Now the temperature changes. So there is a high temperature and a low temperature. So there are animals and plants which can tolerate the high temperature, and then there are some also can tolerate the low temperature. Plants also can grow more on the high temperature, and then Other plants also can grow more on low temperature. And the next is the soil. Plants need soil in order for the plants to grow. Yes. So that is how important is the soil to the plants. That is how plants interact to or with the soil. Next is the air. Now the air is needed by all living organisms such as the human, plants, animals, and other microorganisms. So how and why this air important? Now, human need oxygen. Oxygen is in the air, right? We need oxygen. So we need air. And then the plants need air because carbon dioxide needed by the plants are in the air. So that is how important is the air or the wind. So that is how important the abiotic components for the survival of the biotic components in the ecosystem. So there is always a balance. Balance in every biotic components. Balance in every abiotic components also. Because ecosystem need all these biotic and the abiotic components. And they need to have or they need to be balanced always. So there should be more plants and more animals. So why? Because plants need carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide are coming from the animals and human. And then animals and human also need plants because plants are our sources of food and it is also the sources of food for the animals, and also plants also are the one give or are our sources of oxygen. So there is always a give and take in every living organisms in the ecosystem. That is how important is knowing about ecosystem. Okay, so that is all, and I hope you learn from this topic. I hope you will continue watching my video. If you want to learn more about science, if you want to learn more about science info, please keep on watching my video, and then please subscribe my channel. And that is all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.